Today we're going to talk about the Ortlieb Back Roller Classic Panniers. This is going to be the first quick review, but it's not going to be as quick as the future quick reviews because I need to talk about what a quick review is, but I'm wasting time, so let's get into it. Hey, it's Brock from Conversing and Stuff, and today we're going to do our first quick review. A quick review is going to be a video that's made up of no longer than 1.5 minutes of review content. It'll have a rating after that. It'll be forget it, buy it, or the highest rating will be brick and mortar it, which means go out and get it right now. And then at the end, we will end it with a haiku. Today we're going to talk about the Ortlieb Back Roller Classic. These bags are 20 liters each. They retail for about $180, and the ones that I'm talking about I've owned for 6 months and about 2,000 miles. The design on these is super simple. It's essentially a big bag that you can roll up to be waterproof. There's a few things on the inside. There's a little mesh valuables pocket as well as a pouch that you can stick a laptop in. I put a 13-inch MacBook Pro in it on my way every day to work, and it works just fine. These panniers and any Ortlieb equipment that I've had experience with is super durable. I've had these fall off my bike, completely my fault, and haven't even had a mark on them. So super durable and will last a really long time. At $180, these panniers are not cheap, but they're certainly not as high as some of the other players in the market. The great thing about these is you know you're going to get some value because these things will last forever. So how would I rate these? I would definitely rate these brick and mortar. If you need some panniers, go buy these. And the reason I say that is that they're simple and work well, really easy to take on and off the bike. They're really durable, and these things will last forever, which makes it a good value. A couple tips if you're considering buying these. I would definitely try and match them with the rack that you're gonna purchase before you purchase the rack, because I've noticed that different types of rack make it a lot simpler or harder to mount these to. Another tip I would give is the mount that goes on these move horizontally on the top of the bar of the rack that you're mounting it on. Make those as far apart as possible. I had these fall off the bike once, and that was because I just wasn't paying attention, sleepy in the morning, and I just dropped it on, and I don't even know if they were, I think I just set it on top of the rack. But if you spread those out, then you have to put a little effort to put it in there, and then you'll get a visual that it closes before you set off. Another piece of advice is if you only need one, check Craigslist to see if anyone's selling one, because often people will buy two, only need one, and put it on Craigslist. I think this makes a lot of sense because if you walk into a store, one pannier is going to cost you $120 and two of them are going to cost you $180. So it really makes a lot of sense to buy it off Craigslist or buy two and sell one. Okay, everybody, like every quick review, this ends with a haiku. Latin breadbasket. Backpack is swampy back sweat. Ride free with more stuff. Thanks again for watching. Until next time. See ya.